you work with the right 3PL, you can really automate gift notes or loyalty focused inserts. So this could help you increase loyalty by really making, we talk about it like making getting a package from your brand, like getting a gift from a friend, and making it just feel like a really fun, inviting experience. It's also a good opportunity to help influence repeat purchases. So you could do like a subscribe and save insert, refer a friend sort of insert, 10% off your next order. So those can be really easy wins just in the fulfillment process with your 3PL partner to build those flows of when to include inserts and when to not, and to really automate that experience. So it's not taking up like, you know, some people who are fulfilling from their garage might be sending those personalized gift notes that are handwritten, but it's, as you continue to scale, that's definitely not sustainable. So really incorporating it into your whole, you know, overall model.